it's starting to rain.
It's unusual looking, isn't it? I don't either.
It's starting to rain.
Oklahoma.
Oh, I knew it.
Yeah.
I'm not too worried about tornadoes, though.
Well, they happen around here.
I know, but still.
Colonel coming out. Timmy. And this is, we got a little rotation, don't we?
Oh, crap.
I think we'll go Thursday.
Let's, yeah.
Y'all will be up there on the building on Thursday.
Major cases.
We'll go up there and sign the encampment papers tonight, but I think we're going to go home.
We'll be up there first.
All right. Thank you.
Let's go.
All righty, you too.